feel you. Okay? This is Sandro Pastor, the assistant of third side. Because he never think about military, but as a third side.
First side. Second one.
Go now.
You're in Tambako.
Pastor, please come back with my birthday. Gift for me. Also, back, go back for my birthday. Bye. Hello, Pastor. I hope you will go here. Yeah. Pastor?
Tapi kita ilo na ako. Sino kamera?
Kailan? Ay! Kailan niya?
Lain na Everton.
Lagi na. Lagi na dito. Agad yun! Pastor Susan, Pastor Susan. Hi, Pastor! Tawa nga. Para kasi Pastor Susan. Pastor Susan. Oh, kaya na yun eh. Ako lang ba? Hi, Pat.
Malimit na huyak pa sa...
Hindi si Hana.
Pas, gusto mo mag-inom?
Sa'yo.
Ano, blo? Sabot ito pino. Sabot ay na. Namit, Rob?
Ito na. Ito, pwede yun. Yes, just that. See
Tapo na, miss? Kau ganyan ting, Miss Mar.